Hello fam, it's your boy Billion again. I was around Tianhe and I decided to take a walk to Tianhe Central. You know, the busy intersection. Here's the short video and I hope you enjoy it. Let's go! This is Park Central, an amazingly beautiful park in the heart of Tianhe. I have made a video on it and you can check it from the description. Let's go. Hello fam, my name is Billion. I am an aspiring travel content creator. My aim is to travel the globe and show people the beauty in our world. Please help and support me in my journey by subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Thank you very much. Let's go!
我就买了10万块钱，买的不多。然后最低的时候，我当时买它的时候，它是1秒。
So I reached my destination, which was Tianhe Central intersection. It's time for me to look for the subway and head home. Let's go! So I can see the subway station entrance sign ahead. I'm just going to get there and see where the entrance is. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is the end of this vlog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also check out my other interesting videos. See ya in my next vlog. Let's go!